Alright everybody, I hope I'm audible right now. Let me even check that whether I'm audible or not, and then I'll be simply going ahead. Yeah, I'm audible. I will be turning the chats off and then we'll be getting started with the things. Again, let's get this particular thing done today, and then after that I will be moving to Next.js. But over here I was just trying to change the email and I was unable to change it, and the main reason is that, if I'm not wrong, that is mainly because I signed in with Google and all. So right now I will try to change this email, and that would be like my working email. Let's forget about this working email. How many emails I have in here inside this? That would be better off related, right? So let's even check this thing out. I hope I'm not using password Postgres 3241. Interesting. Right now that's not running, right? So let me start that. So process status Postgres, not process status actually, docker start Postgres db. Wait for a while, it exit it from here. Exit, I said. Okay, just after this I'm gonna be coming here and I'll just simply be cancelling it. Click on this, and once this thing is done, better auth. Okay, so better auth db, I hope this is the one. Let's check the name of the database out first of all. What is the name of the database? .env. Okay, it turns out that it's gonna be time taking. Interesting. Let me do one thing. Stop sharing the screen just like this. Now I can check it. So that is turns out I'm not even using local database right now. Okay, so NeonDB is being used. Not really, not even NeonDB Postgres. Okay, fine. Sorry for that, just suffering from the sneeze. Alright, let me share the screen again. And as Postgres database is being used right now, so we will be going through that. One more thing, this network issue I'm facing. Let me get my mobile connected. And this is actually gonna be like this. Let me keep it here. Alrighty, once this thing is done, right now I don't have a network issue at least. I can just simply check that thing out. So in order to check that, I will run npx prisma studio, should be enough. It will just simply tell me about my database, and here how many things I have. I think if I delete users, everything else is going to be deleted automatically. So I don't have dependency imperial 999, right? 333, that's right. So I can use that one, and coding the code, this is the one that I've got over here. So what I'll say that come here, forget about the verification, I have verified the user. I will be going here and I will just simply say that Dipendra Singh Patel 333@gmail.com, request to change the email. An email will be sent to that coding the code. So let's go here. Inside this particular email, I must have got the email for approving the change email. So I will have to check that thing. Let's click on this. Is the verification link that we have got. Let's simply click on this and wait for a while. Email verified. Check the email right now. Coding the code 999. That means email is not getting changed. Even if we are going through each and everything, the email is not getting changed. Why? Maybe because of this particular function that I'm using over here. So this should actually be, let's go inside auth.ts, and over here I'm using send change confirmation. What should it be? Send email verification. Send change email verification, not change confirmation. So I'm gonna be using this one, send change email verification. This is the one that I will be using, not confirmation. So another one I had, that was send email confirmation I have, and I have sent email verification. So this is gonna be mainly for verification. I think that the right email hasn't been being sent, so that is why I've been facing this problem. So let's try this thing out, whether I'm still gonna be facing the same profile, and I will be changing the from here, and that email is going to be VIPENDRA, yes, INGHPATEL, triple not triple nine, just triple three. Request to change, an email will be sent. Let's check this thing out. One step back, refresh the page, got it here, click on this, and there are high chances that it will be done this time. So ultimately I've been kind of using, maybe, probably, I'm not even sure about this thing, but let's check the email out here. Okay, I thought it would work, but it did not work. Okay, what can I do now? The email hasn't been changed yet, and that simply means I can try one more thing over here. I can actually restart the server, and let's see whether it actually works or not. Right now I'm using a send change email verification. Send change email verification. Let's try it one more time. Sign out the user. I should be able to sign out. Okay, I've been signed out successfully, but why am I not being redirected to the home page then? Okay, I'm here. It took quite a lot of time, but never mind. I can log in with this particular Gmail, and I hope I'm audible right now. Yeah, I am. Okay, that's fine. I'm logged in with this particular Gmail. I can click on this, I can click on the profile, and from here I can try to change the email, and that would be VIPENDRA, INGHPATEL, triple three, just this much. Send the request to change the email. Okay, this has been done. Right now I can come here, and I can just simply refresh the page. I think I need to wait. Okay, let's check the spam folder. I haven't. Okay, that is on the another email altogether, on this one. This is the one that I've got. Let's simply click on this, click on the link that I have got, and now let's see whether it actually works or not. What was the email that I had? Verify email token was this, and callback URL was also there. So this is where, what is the email? That's still the same. That simply means that updation is not working fine. I'm not able to update the email the right way. Okay, that's strange. What can I do now? If the updation of the email is not working well, then profile better auth. The final code I had, right, from him, I can check that thing out. So let's check the final version and exactly what things are actually being used over there. Authorization, better auth, and let's click on this video. Starting code, final code. If I actually go inside my source, if I go to lib and auth.ts, send reset password, don't really need this, and send a verification email. This is the one that I actually I'm worried about. Change email, that's gonna be enabled. Is the email actually enabled or not? First of all, let's check this thing out as well. So change email, that is enabled true, and then I have this particular function. So yeah, it is enabled, and I'm just using send change email verification over here. Send change email verification, that's the same thing we've used. User, all these things I'm getting, and then I'm simply sending the email, and just below that I have additional fields. So just below that I have additional fields. So I'm even getting the email. It should be kind of working, but it is not working. Okay, so am I missing something? And as for this particular thing, I'm gonna be using only this much. Fine. Something is missing in my side, like I'm unable to update that. Send on sign up, sign in verification. I haven't really changed anything, almost everything is same. Email, send email verification. Okay, and what am I calling when sending the email? When sending the email, especially in the profile page, so this is the page for profile, and over here I will get a password first, logout everywhere, profile details form, email form, password form, and this I'm gonna be going with the email form. I'm sending the current email. Once the current email is actually here, after that I'm just adding the new email over there, and await auth client change email. I think this is how it's done. So I can go to better auth. I don't know why it's not working. It hasn't been working since yesterday. I have one more option. I can just run the that I can run the code that is already ready, but before that I want to give it a try. Concepts, user and accounts. I will be updating the information, I will be changing the email. For changing the email, change email should be enabled, that is okay. And apart from this particular thing, I will be having a verification as well. What if I don't have it? Then it will directly be changed. So update email without verification true. So let's do one thing. Let's use this particular method over here. I will be updating the email but without any verification whether this works or not. For making it work, I will have to comment this over here. So let's simply comment this. Once it is commented, I will just simply say that change what was that, update email without verification. Am I gonna be getting that option? Update email without verification, and that's gonna be true, just like this. Let's try the same thing out. I get update true. Updated is not defined. Am I using updated there? Update email verification should not be problematic, but let's see. Okay, so it is almost okay. Let's try to get the reload the page, and still getting that here. So ultimately it is saying that updated is not defined. So line number 50, update email with verification. What is the problem with this? This is the one that I'm getting, and once I have this, go to dashboard, click on this, go to profile, and request change. Email is the same, that is right. If I just make it double one, email verification sent to your status, reload the page, and I still have the same. That means email is not being changed though. Interesting. Email is the same. Email form, just in here, what am I doing? Auth client change email, and that's the same thing I'm actually asked to do. So inside this particular auth client change email, enter the new email and the callback URL to redirect after verification. Change password. I'm not even worried about changing the password, just the email is the enough. send a change email confirmation async. Why am I unable to change this? To update the user information, you can use the update function provided by the client. The update user function takes an object and with the following properties. So update user will simply update the user and all. Change your email to allow users to change their emails. First enable change email feature, which is disabled by default. Set change email to enable to true. That's what I've done over here. And after that, avoid awaiting the email sending the present timing address on the serverless. Use wait list. Wait until. That simply means that I'm not awaiting here. That is right. And I'm making it async and void. Okay, send a change email confirmation. Send a change email confirmation. So that's kind of the same thing. They're asking me to use this over here, but it does not really make any difference. Doesn't matter which one I'm gonna be using here. I will be facing the error. So right now they are asking me that send a change email confirmation use. So send a change email, not a verification, rather confirmation. Maybe this is the new update, that is fine. So even if I'm gonna be using this, still things do not work as expected. So once this much is done, new email is here. Let's check this thing one more time and then later I will think of something else. Reload the page. It will just take some time, and once it is compiled I will be getting the result. So wait for a while, and here it's done. I will be just simply changing the email. If I just simply request the same, it will simply be saying that same email and all. So email is the same, so I will be just entering the different email, and that's gonna be this one. Just like this, simply request a change, and now I can go to my email, the current one, and over there I should be getting this email. So that email was one audiobook, and let's click on Gmail. Okay, approve change. This is the one. So your email has been, let's go through it properly. So your email changed to Bipin Singh Patel 999. Click on the approve button to approve it. As simple as that. That simply means I need to approve it. Why am I sending it here? Delete this. Let's click on this to approve it and see what happens. There is high probability that it did not work, and yeah, it did not work. Why is this not working? Go to dashboard. Time to take the help of AI right here, because I've been working on this thing since yesterday or something. When this is the first option that I have over here, Control C and Control V, and just after that I have let's forget about this. I'm gonna be copying the whole thing. That simply means this also, that if there's any mistake inside this, I'm able to check that thing out too. Apart from this particular thing, I will be going inside my page and email form just here, and I will be just submitting the new email and this. And apart from this particular thing, I will be giving it the screenshot of my email. That will be from here. Let's copy it from here, just this much verification, and add this thing over there as well. Why is come on, I don't want any response. Rather I want to add some more things. Am I not gonna be able to do that? Turns out not. Ask to change response. Why am I not able to change my email? Let's see. You are receiving the approved email change, but email is not actually changing, right? So here are the regions. So you are sending the confirmation to the old email, this part of your config, this old email, not the new one. That is right, this is the old email. Better Auth always sends email change confirmation to the old email, which is correct for security. Alrighty, we can think better triple 3 sending it to this is normal, but that does not update the email yet. Your callback URL is running on localhost. Your email contains this. If you click on the link, it tries to open the localhost of your real PC, which obviously fails. Better Auth never receives the verification request. Email never gets updated. Better Auth can't verify a link pointing to localhost for a public email. What? Really? Production URL is missing is Better Auth. How to fix it? Two options. Start your project npm run dev. Copy the verification URL from Gmail. Replace localhost with your own machine IP address. Literally. Okay. Then open in the same LAN. Or I'll have to deploy it. Seriously. Okay. IP address of my device. IP address of my device. Localhost. Okay, fine. So what I can do right now? Network. Public IP address. Wi-Fi. I think this is the one. 152 something like that. This must be the public IP address. I can even enable that. But even before this, I can do one thing. But why is that so? Okay, let's try this thing out, whether it actually works or not. Whatever it has suggested me, that what you can do that from here, close this, come back here, get rid of this page, and get rid of this page as well. Come back here, reload the page, and then you have to replace the email. So VIPEMDRA Singh Patel. Let's make it 333. Let's request a change. Once the change has been requested, I'm gonna be getting the email over here. So this is the verification email. Now it is asking me to replace the localhost with the IP address of my device. So let's simply paste it first of all here, maybe at the bottom. Okay, Control V. I'm not getting that. That's interesting. So I can copy it from here and I can paste it here. I can click Control Z. I'm getting it here like this. I have to change this particular thing, but even before that, I need to know the IP address of my own device. Fine. I'm gonna be going with this too. How can I get the IP address on Ubuntu? IPA, if I'm not wrong. IP should be enough. That's not enough actually. So IPA, IPF, IP address in my notes. Control K, IP addressage, IP address. This is definitely not here. So in that case, IP address DevOps section, extra IP address. Not this one as well. IP address. It turns out that it's not gonna be found here. Never mind, I can just simply search it here. How to check IP address in Ubuntu, whatever. So IPA is gonna be there. I was saying IP minus A. Okay, IPA. Fine. So many things are here. Let's simply have a look at them. Alrighty. So IP address of my device. This is the wireless one, and that simply means one is gonna be this, nothing important over here. F2 is gonna be this, nothing important over here as well. Then 3 is gonna be this, wireless broadcast. Is there any IP address? Yeah, this is the IP address of my Wi-Fi wireless. And let's go to the fourth one. This is the Docker. Okay, don't need to worry about this. This is the like maybe Ethernet related thing. And this is the Wi-Fi address of my Ethernet, like my current network provider. So this could be the one 192.168.165.149. So this, okay, in order to check it even better, I can just simply do one thing. Let's go to the extension manager, and here I will be turning what? I will be turning on Astro monitor. Come on, get turned on. Okay, it is on right now. I can collapse this, and yet this is right now on. I will be getting some more information. I will be getting the information about my network just right here. Wait for a while. And here, so Docker embedded, forget about all these things. Come on here, I should be able to get it properly. Network and public 152.592.9156. Where is this coming from? The Wi-Fi IP address is this. The Ethernet IP address is this, maybe. Right now am I using Wi-Fi? Okay, let's check this thing out. Ethernet is connected. How am I gonna be knowing more about it? So right now Ethernet is connected, USB Ethernet, and I should be able to check from here. And that is 192.168.165.149. That's what I was saying. Identity. So ultimately this is the IP address copied from here, and that's the same thing was being shown there. So if I just close this, why am I not able to do this now? Alt F2, restart it, wait for a while. Alrighty, things are here. First of all, I'm gonna be collapsing this. I don't need this as well. Cancel it, close this. And apart from this particular thing, if I go here, if I check this IP address related stuff, so I'm gonna be getting this is the 192.168.165 wipe and 149. I hope that's the same one that I'm getting here. So for checking this particular thing, I can actually paste it here. So 165.149, and that was the same I was getting there, so that is fine. And the same thing I should be getting somewhere here as well. So if I try to check that in this particular section over here, so 192.165.149. So yeah, this was the right one. So far so good, and that means simply I need to replace this with that. Control V, I have replaced it. I can just simply click on this thing again, and let's see what happens. Really? This was the only thing that was remaining. I'm not even getting why this is actually happening. First of all, I have to replace this with that, and once it is actually replaced, then open that in the same LAN, deploy to virtual and all. Better auth HTTP your domain. Better auth HTTP and your domain. Okay. Better auth. Time to check the environment variables, and of course I'll have to stop sharing the screen. Just a minute, give me a second, I'll be fixing it and then I'll be back. So inside this I have my better auth URL, and this is this right now. I'm gonna be replacing it with this, and let's see whether it works or not. Don't know, but I hope it's gonna be working. I can just hide it again, and I can start sharing my screen. I can come back here, and I can go here. I can actually copy it all from here, and once it is actually copied, I will be pasting it somewhere here and enter it. email verified, go to dashboard, unauthorized, sign in, okay. This time I used that particular email, so let's check whether I have that particular email in my database or not. So schemas, and I don't really have it here. Let's close this is not needed. Yes, and inside my VS Code, let's simply run npx prisma and npx prisma what? npx prisma studio, so that I'm actually able to check the result. And inside this, inside my user, I have coding the code 999, but don't really have a 333 email. Why is this having with better auth? Better auth actually handles everything else in the best way possible. Why am I facing the issue with the updated email thing? Stop. Change email, callback URL. Okay. And apart from this particular thing, I can actually put environment variable. Give me a second again. Let me fix that. I'm gonna be having same database URL. That's gonna be localhost over here. Localhost. HTTP localhost 3000. I have only one option. I can just simply start it again and hope it's gonna work. I'm not really sure why am I getting this issue. Everything's already configured the best way possible, and if I'm still getting, I have one more option by the way. So let's go with this one. Let's check it one more time if it is actually gonna be working. Page.tsx. But even before that, I can go to my auth.tss. Over here I have enabled it, and then I'm simply sending the email. Send email, user, approve, whatever, and I'm sending this particular URL that's been given by the better auth itself. Okay, and once I'm actually getting this thing done, I can go here. Forget about this, I'm not even gonna be worried about it. Local host 3000. Close this. Localhost 3000. Click go to dashboard. Maybe I cannot go. I'm not logged in, or am I? I'm logged in. And that is one audiobook. This. Let's log in with a normal Gmail, and that's gonna be maybe which one? Remind me later, bro. That's gonna be new@gmail.com. Then I will be changing that. So new@gmail.com, and password is gonna be, I hope that's right. Password @1234. Login. And that's wrong. Interesting. Let's make it #2. Login right now. Again wrong. I can click on forgot password, but I cannot forget the password as well. That is not the real Gmail. Let's sign up with a new one. VIP@gmail. Come on, name. Stop one. VIP@gmail.com. PASSWORD@1234. PASSWORD@1234. Create the account. Wait for a while. I am signed in directly. This should not happen, but this happened. Where is my auth.ts? Email and password. Enable true, that is okay. Auto sign in. Required email verification. Auto sign in true. By default, auto sign in is enabled, right? So if I log in, user is going to be auto signed in. Yeah, that is right. And that is why I'm able to log in directly. I will have to turn it off. If I after sign up, user will be logged in, and the user is already getting logged in. That means I will have to turn it off. And send on sign up true. Auto sign in after verification true. But why is the user getting signed in directly once I sign up with an email? let's make it false. At least this is gonna be working. Log out. Okay, sign up with what? 1@gmail.com. Come on, name should be there. 1@gmail.com. PASWORD@1234. Similarly, PASWORD@1234. Create the account, and I should be redirected to the signed up successful 401 unauthorized. Has the account been created? Refresh the page. Wait for a while. Introspect. Operation failed. Operation failed. Why is the operation getting failed? Really? npx Prisma Studio. I think it should work fine right now, especially if I want to check the database. Go to the user, and how many users do I have? I do have 1@gmail.com. that is not verified, but I have that. I have VIP as well. Okay, and matlab that got signed up. Interesting. Apart from this particular thing, if it actually got signed up, I'm simply saying that R2 sign in, that's gonna be false. So what is the problem with this? Enabled required true. I'm even not requiring that. And email verification sign up, R2 sign in after verification. Everything's okay, right? So what is the problem? It should be working fine. Here, sign up. The first thing is that when I sign up, I should not be signed in directly. Rather, I should be redirected to the login page. So especially when I sign up, I would even like to check this, what exactly happens in the sign up form. So I can go here, admin auth sign up form.tsx, and I'm gonna be sending an email, and sign up email will be sent. And where will I be redirected if there is no error? I will be redirected to the okay, as per this logic, I'm redirected to the dashboard page. That means it already expects me to be signed in directly, and that is why it was happening. So what I can do, I can just go to the sign in page, because I'm not actually signing in just after signing up automatically, and that's gonna be great. Let's try this thing out. So any name, any email, so let's make it coding@gmail.com, PASWORD@1234, and PASWORD@1234. Wait for a while, should be redirected to the sign in page. Signed up successful, and redirected to the dashboard page. Interesting. I have changed it, but maybe it did not take any effect. Okay, router.push, I'm pushing it to the sign in page after sign up, but it is not working as expected. Probably I need to restart the server, and then I have to try the same thing. It should be working for sure, because I have changed the path. But if it is not working, then I'll have to do something. Wait for a while. Ouch. Okay, so I can go to sign up again. New email I need, that's gonna be 2 at the rate, come on, what can I do? At the rate gmail.com, PASWORD@1234. One more time, 1234. There the account should be redirected to the sign in page. Should be signed up successfully, that is fine. Localhost 3000. then I can go to the sign in page. I am signing up on my sign up form. Callback URL is this. If there is any error, then I'm just simply saying that something went wrong and I will stay there. Otherwise, I'm redirecting the user to the sign in page or pushing the user there. Sign in, yes, IGN. I hope that's the same. Sign in, redirect dashboard. So I was trying to go to the dashboard and this happened. I was trying to go to the dashboard page and this happened. But ultimately somewhere or the other, this dashboard page is there. So I am missing it somewhere. Where am I mentioning dashboard? Control F dashboard. Do I have it here? I don't have it here. Control Shift F dashboard. Where all do I have dashboard? Forbidden page. Dashboard, that is okay. I have dashboard over here. Source app dashboard, inside that I have my dashboard. They are just the links and all, that is fine. Layout.tsx, I'm redirecting the user to the dashboard if the user is signed in. Then signing in form, I have my dashboard over there as well. So whenever I sign in, the user should be redirected to the dashboard page, and I'm kind of okay with that. I sign in and the user should be redirected to the dashboard page. That is fine. Navbar dashboard, yeah, that is okay too. Export default loading.tsx, okay, forget about this. Title dashboard, export link dashboard. What is this? Email verified page. I will have the dashboard over here, and then this particular thing. Lastly, I have this thing, main source redirect. Email verified is true, then I will be redirected to the this page, dashboard page. Nothing is wrong. Simple thing. Let's stop this. Exit it. Get server session, then / dashboard, and then get server session, and this. Maybe some cache related stuff is here, so let me delete and dot next from here, and that should be it. Ls, why am I getting the error over here? Mainly because there is no next, so let's do anything. npm run dev. It should resolve this error once the dot next folder is created. Yeah, that has been resolved. I will go here again, close this, here we are. Go to dashboard, but I cannot go there directly, maybe because I'm not logged in, or maybe I'm logged in. No, I'm not logged in. Okay, I can click on sign up, and this is gonna be my many attempts. Out of them I'm gonna be naming it 3. Let's make it 3@gmail.com, PAWSWORD@1234, and PAWSWORD@1234. Create the account. Signed up. Okay, so ultimately caching was the problem. The dot next cached folder that cached the data that I actually had. Because of that thing, I was getting redirected to the dashboard page over and over, and I was trying to fix the error for no reason. The caching was the problem. Alrighty, by the way, once I'm here, but let's make it straightforward. Though even if I have made these many changes, what will I be doing? I will be going to with the previous method, because this is not the code by me, so this is the code of the tutor. So I will be just doing the same things. What I can do, inside my sign up over here, I will let the user to be redirected to the dashboard page, and I will allow sign in as well. So over here, what am I doing? Over here I'll say, don't worry, you can be redirected to the dashboard, but when it's actually directed to the dashboard, I will actually have to allow sign in as well. So I can go inside this auth.ts, and I will be removing this particular thing from here. So by default it is true, so I can say by default it's true, as simple as that. As by default it's true, the user should be signed in automatically, and that is it, nothing else. So let's try this thing out right now. I think this could be because of .next file only that my email wasn't getting changed, maybe, I'm not sure, but let's see. Let's try to use another fourth four@gmail.com. This time I should be signed in directly, PASSWORD@1234 and PASSWORD@1234. Create the account and let's see. Signed in successfully. Okay, I'm here. I can verify the email, but that email is not right, so I cannot even verify it. Never mind. But what I can do, I can log out from here. Okay, I can sign in with Google this time, or maybe sign in with something else. Suppose this is the email that I'm choosing, and just after that I can go to my profile. I can enter the Gmail over here, VIPENDRASINGHPATEL333@gmail.com. request change. The email should be entered. I can go here, and not this one actually, I'll have to change the email from here, and that's gonna be this one. And I got the email verification approval actually, so I can just simply click on this and wait for a while. What else? Email hasn't been changed yet. Why is this not happening? It's been too much working on the same thing over and over. I'm doing everything right, but my email is not getting changed. Anyway, let's log in with this one. I hope password, not this one actually. Let's go to Prisma. I just want to check the things directly from there. Okay, from here create the database, close this. I have better auth related database 2 weeks ago. Really? So which one am I using? I think it must have been created 2 weeks ago. Take it, studio. Okay, user. Okay, I should be able to check the data right now. It's just simply reloading or refreshing, whatever. I have 4321 coding the code 999 and Vipen Patel, and most of them are from the Google side. Let's do one thing. This time I will be emptying the whole database. So for that thing, what can I do? I should be able to select all of them in one go, and once they are selected, then what can I do? After that I can delete all of them. Let's see. I hope they are cascaded. That means they will be deleted in the same go, in one go, not same go even. But I need to wait for a while. Okay, they have been deleted. How about the session? Session has also been deleted if I'm not wrong. So almost everything related to the users, everything's been deleted right now. That means I can log in with any Gmail right now. So I can come back here. I can click on sign up. It could be that I can only change the Gmail. I can only change the email where I log in with Gmail and password. So let's check this thing out whether it is actually that case or not. So let's use this particular email and password @1234 PASSWORD@1234. You can check the email of both of them whether they are exactly the same or not. Create the account, and then I should be signed in directly. Right, so I'm signed in directly over here, and what I can do, I can go to my profile and I will be sending a request. So that's gonna be coding the code 999. I will be just requesting it to change it. Verification has been sent successfully, so I can come here again. This is the new email that I've got. I can click on this one and this hasn't been changed yet. But as soon as I clicked on this, a user got verified automatically. That is a good thing. So once that is done, user got verified in the sense inside this user, I hope that is there, that is here actually, change email, and as soon as I click on any one of the Gmail, it will simply verify the user too. That is good, but it is unable to change the update the email. I'm following the documentation. What else can I do now? Send email confirmation, user new email URL I will be getting. Once I have them, I will be just simply sending from here. Once I'm sending from here, updating without a verification. So I can even update without verification, but I don't want that. If update email without verification is false, default the email will not be updated until the new email is verified, even if the current email is unverified. I'm mainly going to go with this one. For added security, you can require users to confirm the change via their current email before verification email is sent to the new address. To do this, provide send change email confirmation function. Send email confirmation function. Let's go with this way. I mean, I'm not really sure whether this actually gonna make any difference, but they are not using direct function, rather they are just kind of using anonymous functions and all. So the name is still gonna be the same, but I will be just doing it like this. But this is not something that is gonna be making any difference, rather this is just a normal thing. Anonymous function, direct function, how does it make any difference? User dot email, approve, text, new email, and a URL. Give it one more try. Let's do even one thing. Delete everything, source, and alrighty, I think I've done almost everything. npm install will be installing everything, and then I will run npm run. They will simply run that. How about meanwhile I can check this particular file. Next config is lint ignore true, experimental auth interrupt. That's great. So things are fine in this one as well. It will take some time to just download the stuff and all, so let it take time. Oh, it got done. Really? npm run dev has npm run dev, as it got done, then no need to worry about it. Otherwise I will have to take the help of any AI. I will download cursor. As simple as that. But I first of all F2 or restart it. Alrighty, many things are here. Out of them I'm gonna be getting rid of some of them, just like this. This is fine right now. And what I can actually do, I can go to this particular page in here. I can go to my profile. I can reload the page, wait for a while. I'm able to change the name, I'm able to change the image, but I'm unable to change the email of the user. Okay, let's make it double one maybe. I mean, who cares? Request the change. Okay, email has been sent. Fine. After that, once the email actually has been sent, I can come back here. This is the email that I have got for approving, and if I click on this, this was the verified token. This was the token that I had, and then email verified, callback URL I had at the end. But if I check the email, that is still the same. That means doesn't matter how many times I try this thing, it will never happen. Interesting. Save the changes. I'm able to change the profile and all. Right now the photo is here. This better Auth. What's wrong with you? I could have done it manually, but I'm using better auth over here, so I have to go with that. Okay, let's give this particular change email, right? Okay, link to the chat GPT. Tell me the process of changing the email of the user. क्या करना है सबसे पहले? Change email here in your beta config you must enable change email feature, so that's what I'm doing over here. Change email enable to optional sender. This is gonna be option, right? Apart from this particular thing, initiate the email change for the client. On the client side I'll have to say this callback URL is gonna be this email verified. This tells better auth the user wants to change this particular email. After verification, redirect to this verification email is sent, just like this email token. Yeah, that is definitely there. And then user clicks the verification link. When the user opens the verification link, better auth validates the token. Better auth updates the user's email in the database. User comes in to verify, add new email, better auth, whatever. Then optional skip verification in special cases. So update, if you don't want to require a verification when the current email isn't verified, you can set update email without verification. This lets user with unverified current emails update immediately without verification. Let's even add this one. I mean, let's see whether it actually works or not. Alrighty, actually my mom is calling me right now. I'll have to go to just give her something. I'll be leaving soon. Just let me get this last thing done, and that is where am I just verifying it? Okay, changing email is here, and just in here I can say update email without verification, and that's gonna be true. I hope this is gonna be fine this time. Update email without verification. Let's see it. Check this thing out. I will be changing it from here, and that's gonna be coding the code 999@gmail.com. Request the change, and the email has been sent. I can come here, one step back. I got the email for approving it, approve it, and it hasn't been changed yet. Don't know what is the reason now. Insane, literally insane. Let's do one thing. I will not be using this, rather forget about even verifying that. Just this much is going to be enough, and the email will not even be sent. That means if I'm using this update email without verification, that means I can change that. Let's try it directly. Am I going to be able to change that or not? And as for the redirect URL, I will not even be providing that. So I can go to the sign up form, and not sign up form, page.tsx, not here, not here, not here. So I can go inside my, when am I changing the email? Inside my profile, right? Inside my profile I can go to the email form and change the email. Over here I'm changing the email. I can just simply get rid of this callback as well, and let's see what happens. I have my email, right? What I can do, I can just simply change the email. So let's make it double one. So request the change, done, and let's reload the page. Not getting that. Change email, update email, documentation. Update user, but okay, but here I'm changing the email, so I will have to use a change email, auth client change email. I'm providing this here. I'm not even, new email is gonna be new email at the rate whatever. Let's do it manually. Everything will be manual. That simply means new email at the rate gmail.com. Let's see whether it is able to do that or not. Okay, so I'm gonna be coming here, profile, send the request, email sent successfully, reload the page. It is not working. Okay, I will be back after 10 minutes. Okay. I'll continue from here. I don't know what is the reason here. I will be turning the chats on too next time. I will be working on it. Let's see whether I'm gonna be able to resolve it or not. If I am not able to resolve this, then what is the use of even doing it? Better as documentation. I'm following each and everything. Maybe I'm missing something. I don't know what. I have one more solution. I have the final code of this project. I will be running that code and then I will check whether I'm actually able to change the email or not. But for that thing, I'm gonna get the work done first of all. My mom was calling me. After that, I'm gonna be coming back and then I'll continue from here on. Until then, take care and see you just after 10 minutes. Take care.